as the name suggests, it anticipation. So it's something that uh, that happens before the action. So the good example is when you stretch a rubber band and you're targeting something, you pull that rubber band. So that is that is that is in anticipation to the actual action that is going to happen, right? So in this example, you see how the cube moves side to side and then takes the real action. It is kind of, you prepare for that particular action. If you just imagine yourself when you are going to jump or you're going to throw a ball, you go behind and then throw the ball. It is so in the actual physical world, it is the preparation for that action. But when it comes to the screen, you also give that opportunity to the audience. Okay, the audience also gets prepared for that particular action, right? Again, an example from Edward Mybray. See, there is a certain position that he takes before leaping into that jump. Another Disney classic. Before taking the jump, there was a big anticipation that happened. Again, if you notice that the way things move, now this is something which happens for each and every principle, like whatever the character is or that material is, accordingly that principle needs to be applied. Like in this case, look at the realistic anticipation and look at the anticipation that the rabbit takes, right? It all depends on the characters. So anticipation can be physical and anticipation can be internal. This is a very subtle way of telling the audience that okay, there is something that is going to happen. The way he looks at the cup and then picks up the cup, that's a very subtle hint. Correct. At the same time, look at this action. Before something zooms past, the character actually turns to the left of the screen. That is again a very subtle hint to the viewer that yeah, there's something is going to happen on that corner of the screen. Now anticipation is fine, but look at the what I would say, it's equally anticipation decides what is the force that is going to be applied onto that particular action, and it has to balance, otherwise there will be a mismatch, right? Like in this case, if you see, there is a normal jump and there is a jump with the weight. So look at the difference in the anticipation. See, this example shows the exact opposite. The way he anticipates is way too strong, but it's an anticlimax, right? The way he runs doesn't really match the anticipation. So you might use that for a comic end, but in reality that won't be the case, correct?